Well guys, check this one out. New from Traxxas, the TRX4m, which is quite a handy little size compared to the TRX4. This one is 1 in 18th scale. Look at this thing. Lovely suspension, very detailed bodywork, which is very cool. Roof rack on there, nice color. Bit of branding going on there. You've got some jerry cans and a high lift jack, which you'll need. Suspension is really cool. Tires are also pretty cool. So let's have a quick look underneath, see what's going on in there. The advantage here is there are some clips front and back which really make it easy to lift the bodywork right off. No clips on top like the TRX4, which is a lot bigger. This is quite a handy scale. So this is plastic. You can get tinted windows in here. There are more and more accessories coming. At the moment, not too many, not as many as the TRX4. And also the technology here. It's a steel chassis. You can see the prop shaft here and here as they go in, which is very cool. You've got your A-frame coming forward and backwards, which is really cool. The shocks are oil filled apparently, which makes it a really good damping. The tech is pretty good. Here's your motor. This is the battery, which is about 750 milliamps, something like that. Your controller, the front servo for turning the wheels, which are also very good. These are 45-degree turning, so it's a very tight turning circle. This motor drives your center, let's call it the transmission case, forward and backwards, and then side to side. These are all locked, so if you turn one wheel, the rest also turn, which is not as variable as the TRX, which you can adjust for opening the front and rear diffs if you like. The TRX also has winches front and back if needed, which can be worked off a servo as well, which you can control from your controller. This is the controller for this one. Pretty standard, all works pretty well. What happens here is you have, maybe we can switch it on, built-in LED lights. So here you've got your LEDs in your bumper. This is an aftermarket bumper obviously with a Xeon on front. You can get an upgrade kit accessory to have your headlights and your side lights and your hazards, which is quite cool. So that's pretty nice. That's also coming up. You can also change a lot of things in here. These are plastic prop shafts and drive shafts. You can put in steel ones. You can upgrade your diff into steel. You can put a lot of brass weights into the tires. These are pretty cool, eh? Look how soft they are. They really work really well.
What do brass weights do?
Brass weights makes it heavier. It makes it more of a convincing drive over heavy obstacles, so it doesn't bounce. So this is a very well thought out idea. Just turn it off here. The quality is there. Obviously they've been around a while, they know what they're doing. I just really enjoy the size of it. It's a lot more portable, I guess. Put it in your backpack, take it with you when you go hiking, we'll use that. The 1 in 10 model is quite big. I like the detailing as well. It's very well made. There are more and more little accessories coming along as well, which you can also add onto yourself. But this has already got this roll cage on it with the roof rack. It's got the nice little front bumper as well. You can upgrade your wheels, change those. These look like BFGs, but you can also have bigger, rougher ones if you like. At the back as well, you can have a little tow hitch. They even give you a little trailer option if you like that kind of thing, which is quite cool. And yeah, it really looks pretty cool. Very compact, very nicely done. And I like how solid it is. I like the not the chassis, the body, which is quite solid as well, which is quite nice. Very good looking little vehicle here. So there you go, man. TRX4m from Traxxas, which is coming out very soon. You also get a body with a new shape Ford Bronco, which is also quite nice. So yeah, what do you think? Let me know down below, man. Really cool little thing. Bit dusty. We've been in the desert. We've been trying it out, and it's worked pretty well. It's a pretty good representation of what happens underneath a Defender anyway. And it's a very nice looking little model. It's got a bit of weight to it, also because of the metal chassis. It sits very well. It's got nice suspension and all of that travel. Yeah, I kind of dig it, and it's a lot better value. Obviously it's smaller than the TRX. I think this is about 180 euros, $150. For that you get a very nice little thing, good battery, USB chargeable, which is also quite handy. And yeah, look at that. The new Defender, man. Check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. This is a nice little thing. Thought to just share it with you guys quickly. Yeah, catch you on the next one and keep rolling.